And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 111. Let me show you how to create a long shadow effect. It's, I think, the easiest way, but you have to know a couple of shortkeys. Let us create a text element, and I press Ctrl A, put it in center. You can adjust the size over here. I'll keep it to 60 points, and you can adjust the color over here. You know what, let me pick a different one. Something like that. Let me give the background a different color, which is layer 0. I activate the text layer, then I press Ctrl J to copy it. I want to recolor it now. Let me pick this color right here. Once we've got that, we want to drag it below the original. And then right click and rasterize type. So it is now a layer and not type anymore. Press Ctrl T and then you can transform it. And here it depends on what angle you want to use. 45-degree angle gives you a long shadow to the left. So I want to use minus 45 degrees. This gives us a long shadow to the right. Just confirm via Enter. Do it 2 times. Then make sure that this layer is active in the layers menu. And all you have to do now is to hold Alt and use the right arrow key. And this will create copies that are a little bit off. So if I hold Alt and the right arrow key, it's going to create copy after copy after copy. And you can see how this slightly moves towards the right. Obviously, when you want to have a shadow to the left and you've used 45 degrees, then hold Alt and use the left arrow key. Let me go to like 300. Then I make sure that I'm on the top shadow. So the copy with the highest number, in my case 320. I scroll to the bottom. Then I hold Shift and I left click on the first shadow right here. They're all selected. Now right click and merge layers or press Ctrl E. This makes it one layer only. I can press Ctrl T again. Set it back by using 45 degrees. Again, if you've created a left turning shadow, you have to use minus 45 degrees. And then with the move tool, I can reposition that. Now this should give you a perfect long shadow at the right angle. Let's just say it's not long enough and you want to add a couple. No problem with that. Just press Ctrl T again. Give it the same angle, in my case minus 45 degrees once more. Confirm via Enter 2 times. Hold Alt and use the right arrow key again. Once we've got enough copies, we're on the top one, 525. I'll scroll to the bottom, hold Shift, left click on the lowest one, and then Ctrl E to merge it. Ctrl T, once again, reposition it by using the opposite angle, in my case 45, and then we use the Move tool. As I've said, I think that this is the easiest way to do it, and you can still recolor everything here. So we can use a blending option for this shadow layer. We can use the properties for the type. And we can use the paint bucket tool here for the background. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.